Hey guys, welcome to my channel or my shack here. I know it's been a minute. So I filmed this quick eye look inspired for Valentine's. Please keep watching to learn how. And all the products I use will be listed below.
I get filthy when that liquor get it to me. I've been thinking.
So firstly, I selected the darkest pink shade I could find within the Juvia palette and just applied that to my eyes, and then I blended that in.
Cigars on ice, cigars on ice. Feeling like an animal with these cameras all in my grill. Flashing lights. You got me baby.
And then after that, I just go in with a darker, not too dark of a brown color, and just apply that over the pink to kind of warm it up.
I'm swerving on that, swerving on that big body, been serving all this.
So then I'm just cutting my crease with the Aucoin concealer. And then after that, this look is just kind of a play between the Morphe and Juvia palette. So I just selected one of the pink colors from that palette.
Last thing I remember is our beautiful bodies grinding over that glue. Drunk in love,
and then I just went in with a silvery color and just applied that to my inner tear duct. And then I just went over the middle of my eye and applied a lighter pink color. So then this part here, I'm just applying the glue. And then I'm gonna press the glitters from the LA Girl glitter line onto my lid in a pink color.
I get filthy when that liquor get it to me. I've been thinking.
And then to give my eyes more of a smoky look, I just went in with a black eyeshadow and then applied that to my eyes to darken the color. So then I just went back in and applied a pink shimmery color to the bottom of my eye. And the lashes that I'm wearing, these are from Pink River London, so I'll leave the link down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Valentine's inspired video, and if you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!